Hello everyone and welcome to my channel From Pizza to Dalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious and creamy coffee pudding. This is made without eggs, gelatin or agar. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. So first, in a bowl, take 2 teaspoons of instant coffee powder and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix them well and keep aside. In another bowl, take 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 3 tablespoons of water. Mix them well and make the slurry. Keep it aside. Now in a pan, take 1 cup of milk. Bring it to boil. Add the coffee mixture to it. Mix well and combine. Bring the mixture to a boil. Now add the corn flour slurry. Mix well and combine. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. The mixture starts to thicken a little. Use a whisk so that there are no lumps. Now it has the perfect consistency. Turn off the heat and transfer the mixture to the greased bowls. Refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours. Our pudding is perfectly set now. You can demold it on a plate or you can have it as it is. See how soft and jiggly the pudding is. I have used sprinkles to decorate it. You can have it as it is. This is just a perfect dessert. So do try out yourselves and enjoy. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.